Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing about a short poem written by Shirley Tolson, A Photograph. Now, the poem A Photograph is written by Shirley Tolson. In this poem, she recalls her mother and her memories while looking at a childhood photograph when her mother was 12 years old or so. And now it has been almost 12 years, right, since her mother passed away. And she cannot explain her grief on her mother's loss. Now, the poem, first of all, the poem A Photograph, right? It tells us about what that photograph meant for poetess mother and what it meant for her. Now, when the poet Shirley Tolson, she looks at the photograph, it's nothing for her but just a piece of cardboard because she's unable to connect with the cardboard. She's unable to connect with the memory which has been captured in that photograph. Whereas for her mother, that photograph was a moment full of life, right? It was a moment which she has lived, and every time she recalled that moment, every time she looked at the photograph, she always connected with that photograph, and she recalled those happy memories which she had spent with her cousins at the beach that day, and she keeps on remembering those, and she keeps on living those moments again and again. So for the poet's mother, that was a moment full of life, and for poet it was simply a piece of cardboard, because one was able to connect and one wasn't able to connect. All that poet could remember was that how happy her mother was whenever she used to look at the photograph, right? It felt like she was living those moments again. So she could only remember that happiness on her mother's face and the laughter, which she used to hear when her mother used to describe those events. So for the poet, that photograph was live. It came to life just because of her mother. And now, since her mother is not there, for that photograph, for her simply is a piece of cardboard, because the connecting point was her mother, who used to laugh, who used to be happy, who used to smile by looking at those photographs, and who used to tell Shirley about those moments which she had spent with her cousins. And she was able to connect. She was if she was able to connect a little bit, it was just because of her mother. She was not connecting to the photograph, but she was connecting with her mother. And since mother is not there, for her that photograph is simply a piece of cardboard. The poem is a tribute to the poet's mother. She is looking at an old photograph of her mother, which has a frame of cardboard. The picture has three girls, in which the middle one is the oldest and the tallest. It is her mother, when she was 12 years old or so. Beside her, on both sides, are her two cousins, Betty and Dolly, who are holding her hands and are younger than her. They went for paddling. Paddling means walking on a beach holiday. Her uncle took the photograph then. The poet could not help but notice her mother's sweet face. The sea touched her terribly transient. Transient means temporary, right? Terribly transient feet, which depicted that she changed over the years, but the sea remained same. She changed over the years means she grew older, and she grew taller, she grew older, but the sea remained same. After 20-30 years, her mother would laugh at the photograph. She would make the poet look at the photograph and tell her how their parents would dress them up for the beach holiday. The beach holiday was her mother's favorite past memories, while her laugh was the poet's favorite memory. Both of them lost something which they cherished a lot and yet cannot live that moment again. Both of them lost means the poet's mother, she lost her childhood, right? And the poet, she lost her mother. Those sweet moments were memories now. Poet's mother's childhood and the poet's mother's laugh. The laughness, the laughter she had on her face, the smile she had on her face, right? So that is a memory now. Now, the poet's mother had been dead for the past 12 years, which is the same number as of her age when the photograph was taken back then. She cannot express the grief that she has from her mother's absence. Now, class, what you will do is you will go through the poem, then you will go through the explanation. If any query is there, you are free to raise your questions on the WhatsApp group. And this is your homework. You will create a storyboard for the poem, A Photograph. Thank you.